The exact name of the model is screwdriver set S20. Here is the name. Let's open the box now. I'm a little excited because I needed such a set and finally I got it in my hands. I don't know how they managed it because the box itself looks metal, but it's made from plastic. Good first impression. Here are the bits. Let me show you a closer look here because I have no words to explain it. Just take a look here. They are gorgeous and indeed they are precise. Here are some bits I actually didn't know they exist. Take a look at this. This is a 2.5mm hexagon bit. It's so tiny, but the tool set has it. And another one, it's called pry bar. I haven't seen such a bit in any toolbox. And of course everything else. These bits are made from chrome vanadium steel, which is hardened up to 5054 HRC. This will be very sturdy and durable. Here is a small lid. Let's open it. Here are some opening picks and they are precise too. Nice suction cup. SIM card removing tool. Now let's move on to the handle. They sell this set in different colors. Obviously mine is gray. They claim, and definitely it's ergonomic. It ensures a strong grip. Here is the swivel cap on the end for a rapid twisting. You can pull this shaft to extend it. Holds and locks in place pretty good. Here it is. You can pull this shaft out and lock it in the length that you need to use. Next is this flexible shaft. It can be very useful in some cases, of course. And here is a pair of anti-static tweezers. I will show you a closer look here of the tips because they are ultra precise. I like it. And of course a protective cap for the tweezers. And next is something I haven't seen in any toolbox. Here you can magnetize and demagnetize screwdriver bits or screws right here. Seriously, KAIWEETS, how did you manage to put all this in such a compact box? I'm impressed. I'm glad I can put my hands on this set, and for sure I will make it my everyday helper. I will not talk about the price because you can find it on the internet, but it's cheap for such quality. Of course I will provide another video review after 1 year of use. Let's see how it will perform long term. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. This is it, my friends. See you again.